What is the future of Boxabl? 1, 2, 3, and 4 bedrooms, and really continue to fulfill the goal of Boxabl, which is to solve the housing crisis. The best way to think about Boxabl is to think of Legos. You can stack them, connect them, cantilever them as you go up. What can't you build with that? This is what the Boxabl packs up to, the Boxabl Casita. And our expanded offering, our Goldie Box offering, they all arrive like this. If you want up to a 4-bedroom home, 4 of these will show up.
Hello, hello, hi. Won't you take a look inside of these thoughts all the time? Goldie Box on my mind. It can shift, it can ride, it can go up in the sky like a bird or a plane. Super, super, super fly.
So Boxabl currently makes what some folks call a tiny home. It's not so tiny, as we know. It's got 9.5-foot ceilings, 8-foot tall windows, wraparound island counter, full-size everything, full-size refrigerator. Apart from the fact that it makes for very nice living, very comfortable living, it really shows the methodologies we have and the first principles that we adhere to build most things most of the time. There is no improvement too small, from the building shells on inward down to every washer, nut, bolt, whether it's a washing machine or flooring or LED lighting. And we'll be able to see some of those things in the Goldie Box first sample. Why don't we go take a look? So if this looks familiar to you, this is in fact the Casita. Casita always looks big, but this looks really, really big. Why does it look really big? Oh, I don't know, because there isn't a giant queen-size bed in here and a closet. This is now devoted just to living and dining area. And if I step back here, you can see it's pretty damn big. What was the bathroom in the original Casita, now if we come in here, because it's all planned out digitally from day one, turns into a very nice laundry center. This is very interesting. We don't want our customers to have to paint and spackle and fill window holes because they made their home bigger with additional casitas. So this beautiful, beautiful insert, mirror back, glass shelves. If you think back to those Legos with the bumps, you can put them together like this, you can put them together like this, you can put them together like this, but you can't put them together halfway. They have to go on their grid, lining up those bumps. Boxabl is on an invisible grid. All the windows, all the doors are on a grid. The wall, the ceiling, the floors have chaseways through them. Chaseways are just holes through the middles of the walls, running vertically and horizontally, all on the grid. What does that mean as the system expands? It means that when this used to be a window, and then I go and plug in a shelf because I made my home larger, I have a chaseway that's on the grid where I can pull an electric line without going into my ceiling and put a nice light up there. We've thought through the building system really from the genetic level to be able to expand into these additional offerings and make a true post-industrial system that can meet most people's needs most of the time. Our designers did something pretty cute here where you could just turn these around, and you've actually now got essentially a home theater. So it doubles up as a space. Nobody's brought me any popcorn, but that's okay. We're going to go through now into a second building shell configured as a 2-bedroom with a Jack and Jill bath. And you can see it's got this really nice pre-entry. And when I'm talking about design details and design features, you'll notice that the glass behind me has no frame around it, and it goes to the ceiling, the walls, and the floor directly. Look at this sense of space, just with that small design detail, and that's what we obsess about. Look at this. This is, presumably a young teenager, 12, 13, something like that, can have his friends over, play video games, big giant window, another 88-inch television, a walk-in closet, and a Jack and Jill bathroom. The fact that we actually have to put this on the toilet should speak volumes. So come on in. Big mirror, 2 sinks so the kids don't fight. The 8-foot tall shower, very, very popular. Come on through. Here we're just really showcasing that even though these are conservatively sized bedrooms, because everything is affordable with Boxabl, it still can house a queen size bed. And here for this particular layout, We've put a door. All doors and windows pretty much interchangeable. Follow me and let's look at the deck. This floor plan, just from a top level, imagine those square Legos and then putting them together into an L shape. And then in that little elbow of the L is where we're standing. Box number 1, box number 2, box number 3. This could be a box number 4, but we've laid it out as a deck. And here the design team has just simply created just a lumber atrium roof with what we call our bistro lighting to set the mood. And at night, this really is a special space, I have to say. If we also got rid of all of this, this could also be the front of the house. You can park 2 standard cars here, and that can be the front door. Have I saved the best till last? I don't know. You'll tell me. So check this out. Another beautiful pre-entry. Here we have really an absolutely huge master suite. Huge king-size bed, huge closets. You'll notice this rather sexy picture is backlit with LED. Where are the wires? We're on the grid. We really turned this whole place into a walk-in closet by the simple expedience of taking the bathroom door and making it a full mirror door. Take a look at the master bath. 2 sinks and a tub that we are hoping we can offer a shower, tub, jacuzzi combo. Anyway, let's head back to our pre-entry. And here we are again. If I sit here, I got a pretty nice couch. And as you can see, I can hang out here with a number of people. It's really pretty large. And again, in terms of our space planning, if I look across at that wall over there, I've got a giant 88-inch television, which is playing The Hangover. Why is it playing The Hangover? Because it's a hilarious movie. Also, it's in Las Vegas, where we are. So, by the way, please do come take a tour.
Welcome to Goldie Box.
This is magic.
Following us?